my fellow Filipino, today I stand to you with both duty and hope. One of the biggest problems our country still faces is flooding. Every year, many families loses their home, their job, and even their loved ones due to the rising water. Also, all the funds should go to the project that should benefit all Filipinos, not just into the pocket of anyone. We cannot allow this to continue. Flood control is not just about building structure. It's about safety, progress, and dignity. That is why administration to committed to long-term solution. We are the strengthening our rivers, preferring old drainage system, and building new flood control project to protect both of our cities and our communities. However, concrete and still wasn't enough. Also, we need to cooperate with nature. We need to expand the reforestation, rehabilitate that save our nature defenses versus floods. Together with local authorities, we enacting early warning system so no will community will be unworried when heavy rains arrive. I asked to the Congress to prioritize the project that protect us from the disaster caused by climate change. I asked the local leaders to enforce proper zoning and wasting management because many floods are caused by blocked waterways. And ask every Filipino to take part because disaster preparedness start in our home and barangay. To my citizen, flood control is not about holding water back. It's about providing comfort to our place. It signifies children can continue attending school, farmers can reap without worry, and family can reside safety in their home. With unity, discipline, and compassion, we will overcome the flood. We will build a nation where advance cannot be swept away, instead growing stronger. Truth our collective will to continue. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang bayang Pilipino.